morning, good morning. It is Saturday, December 18th. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what day it is in quarantine without looking at my calendar. I don't know. But I'm out here on my window. The window only opened up about 6 inches, but I fixed the window, and so now I've got a nice view and I can get some fresh air. And I spend about 80% of the time standing right here. Wow, what a service, what a sermon. So thankful for technology that allows us to be in church while we're away. It's awesome. And barbecue. So the Korean barbecue is not bad. I'll probably eat the rest of that. The salmon, probably gonna pass on. The grape juice is delicious. It tastes like normal grape juice. So, that's day 6 lunch. Hey guys, it is evening time on the 6th day of quarantine. I almost forgot what quarantine day we were on. And we just got a gift at our door from Cathwell, which is Ember's agency. And they just got us this really sweet gift, and it was very thoughtful, and they typed us out a really nice letter. I just thought I'd share it with you guys. They got us a book and a tin of, it's like little, it's not chocolates, but like cookies. I don't know what you call them. I'll show them to you. It's like little cookies. I don't know. Try one. Oh, really good. Yeah. Those probably won't make it back home. Those will be gone by tomorrow. And I got us this it's like almost like a Precious Moments deal, little statue. It's of Mary and Joseph holding Jesus. And then they got us a couple bags of these. It says they're red chili pistachios, and they are individually bagged. So I'm gonna try them, but I'm not gonna let you know what they're like until I come home, because I've got a bunch of them and I want you guys to taste them when I bring them home. I'm not sure, I'm not big on spicy stuff, especially stuff that says red hot chili anything, so here we go. Alright, I'm back from the red hot chili pistachios, and I can't wait to give you guys some of these back home. So, looking forward to that. But anyway, that was it. That's just a really nice gesture of them, and we are so thankful to be working with such a good agency, and they've made this process just so good. So we're thankful for that.